Top tourist attractions in Nepal. Mount Everest. You can't book a holiday to Nepal and not pay attention to the destination's biggest tourist attraction, Mount Everest. Wait. While enjoying this video, please subscribe to our channel. Hillary Bridge. Here's a sight that will take your breath away. It's surreal, and you can only find it when you cross the Hillary Bridge. Bhaktapur. Even though it was unfortunately damaged by an earthquake in 2015, Bhaktapur still has a lot to offer travelers. So, make sure you don't miss out on this city. The Ama Dablam Mountain. The southwest ridge of Ama Dablam is one of the most scenic routes in the Himalayas. It is one of Nepal's most famous must-see sites. Pokhara. Set at the base of the foothills and surrounded by some of the highest mountains in the world, Dhaulagiri, Manaslu, and Annapurna I, Pokhara is one of Nepal's most scenic cities. The Annapurna Region. The Annapurna Region is one of the most popular trekking regions in Nepal, with options that range from a few days to a few weeks. So, if you're an avid hiker, this is where you should be. Kathmandu. Wonderfully hectic and always bustling, you can't go wrong with a visit to Kathmandu when you're in Nepal. The country's capital and largest city is like no other city in the world. Mount Pumori. Love a good challenge? Mount Pumori is one of the most popular mountains in the Upper Khumbu region. Chitwan National Park. Take a break from hiking the snowy trails of Nepal and take a moment to appreciate the beauty of Chitwan National Park. It's full of life. Swayambhunath Stupa. Nepal has a variety of sacred spaces, but make sure you don't miss the chance to pay a visit to the Swayambhunath Stupa. You won't regret it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Let us know which attraction caught your eye. Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to watch more interesting and latest videos.